Welcome to this month's DIY Saturday project. Gather your materials and follow along to make this cute springtime vase filler. You need plastic baseballs, decorative tissue paper, Mod Podge, a foam brush, and scissors. Start by cutting the tissue paper into strips. Spread a thin coat of Mod Podge on a small section of the baseball and add a piece of paper. Make sure to take your brush and smooth the strip down completely. Continue adding Mod Podge in small spots and adding strips on top. Continue adding the strips until the ball is covered. You will end up adding several layers. Use a piece of wax paper to set your balls on while you allow them to dry between coats. This makes it easier to remove them later. Choose an appropriate size vase and add your balls and a decorative mat if needed. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.